Welcome back, everybody. This episode of Tech Talk. Today we're talking about an open rear compared to a limited slip rear. The difference is very simple. The limited slip rear will transfer a portion of torque to the tire with the most amount of traction, limiting the slip to the other tire with the least amount of traction. And there's some clutch packs in there, and we're going to pop the top off this thing and show you the difference. Now that we have the tops off and they're opened up, we can show you the actual difference between the open rear and the limited slip. You'll notice they look very similar, minus the fact that the limited slip has the clutch pack in it. That is what transfers the torque to and from each wheel. If your application does call for a limited slip, also known as a Posi Traction unit, we will include the fluid. It's a friction modifier on each and every one of our applications. So if you have any questions at all, give us a call at 888-842-0023.